Hello and welcome to this Boris software training video. In this video, we're going to look at the next built-in system, which works very similarly to the generic asset module. The difference is that this one is specifically tailored for managing your company vehicles, your fleet management asset module. Just like with generic assets, you can manage everything both on the web portal and through the Boris mobile app. If we click Asset Management, Fleet Management, you'll see a familiar layout. The main difference is that instead of manufacturers, you now have make and model. These lists work the same way. You can add, edit, or remove entries. For example, if you want to add a new model like Ford Transit, you can do that here. You'll also notice an audit report section. Unlike the general asset module, which has creation and acceptance reports, the fleet module includes a vehicle audit. This is where vehicle-specific inspections are stored, whether it's a van, car, or any other company vehicle. If we go back to all vehicles, we can add a new vehicle into the system. Click Add Vehicle, and for this example, we'll simply call it Vehicle 1. Most clients use the vehicle registration number as the identifier, but for training purposes, we'll keep it simple. Save the asset, then click into it to view the vehicle asset overview. You'll see that vehicles contain more detailed information than a standard asset. Once the asset is created, you can update fields such as make and model, business branding, purchase date, current driver, current status, MOT and service information. Where the test is, contact name, contact number, and MOT comments, photographs of the vehicle. You can attach documentation like MOT certificates, service records, any breakdown cover details, insurance policy, PDFs. Adding documents is simple. Select the file, upload it, and specify the document type and the service document. Again, it's the same thing. Elect the file and upload it. You can see here, and you can manage them, edit them here, or delete them. You can add fuel card images. At the bottom of the page, you'll also see boxes that will automatically populate once vehicle audits are completed on the app. Now let's switch over to the Boris application on a tablet or smartphone. I'm just going to click on Receive Update. Under Asset Management, Vehicle Management, you'll see the three forms. Creation creates a new vehicle. Acceptance records a vehicle being handed over or returned. Audit performs a full vehicle inspection. This workflow is identical to the generic asset system. Let's start with Creation. Select the customer, BSL contractors, and location, main office. Create a new form. Select Registration, Create New. We'll call this one Van 1. Add mileage, 650,000. Choose the model, Ford Transit. Set its status, at the garage, and take a photo of the vehicle. I'm just going to take a vehicle I found from the internet for now. Save the form, and the vehicle will be created and sent to the portal. Next, we'll complete an acceptance report for the Vehicle 1 we added earlier on the portal. Click Acceptance. Choose the customer, location, and create new form. Select Vehicle Reg. Add the mileage, 750,000, and confirm if the vehicle is safe to drive. Status of the vehicle, live. So again, you're inspecting the vehicle and taking photos to show its current condition. This provides a full audit trail of how clean the vehicle is and how everything is functioning before it's handed over. I'm just taking a few quick photos for training purposes. These are just pictures of my laptop, but you get the general idea. Complete the functional checklist, and again regarding cleanliness and condition checks, vehicle exterior. This is where you take photos of exterior of the vehicle. Select the relevant check again here. The engine. Take a few photos and then complete the checks. Wheels, okay. And driving, okay. Finally, vehicle acceptance. Name of the person handing over the vehicle. Let's say Boris Training. Person accepting the vehicle. Joe Blogs. Sign. And save the form. Once released, this updates the audit trail for the vehicle on the portal. When we refresh the portal, you'll now see Vehicle 1 updated. This vehicle's been accepted. All the checks are listed, and you can generate a report from here as well. If you'd like more detail on report generation, please check out the report menu pathway, which covers everything you can run across the system. You can see here that Van 1 was created directly on the app. Finally, we'll perform a full vehicle audit on Van 1, which we created on the app earlier. Go to Asset Management, Vehicle Management, Audit. Select the customer and location. Choose Van 1, name of the driver, training for this example. Enter the signature of the driver. Mileage, let's say 700,000, and the status, head office. Again, take photos around the vehicle, complete the checks. Again, everything is same. Complete the vehicle exterior. I'm just going to put test here for now. Next, the driving section. Then you got the audit section. Complete the form, sign in and save. Finally, release the form. Once submitted, this updates the vehicle's history instantly on the portal. You'll now have a full, time-stamped audit trail for that vehicle, so we can now see a full digital record of that vehicle audit. Everything has been checked, and we've got both photographic and signature-based evidence linked to the vehicle. If we navigate back to the Asset Management and Fleet Management area in the portal and refresh the page, you'll see that the first van we created now shows the completed audit as well, compared to Vehicle 1, which only has the handover record. From here, we could carry out the same audit process on this vehicle too. And that brings us to the end of this detailed overview of the built-in fleet management system within your Boris product. Thank you for watching this Boris training video.